This 2023 Grand Design Solitude 310 GKR is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 34 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, stovetop burner, TV antenna, refrigerator, smoke detector, oven, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, slide-out, microwave, LP detector, and 93 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Solitude 310 GKR is 12,100 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.